It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. Avoid doing these things after infidelity, men. In general, many kids do or say things in the heat of the moment that they later regret. I've realized that it's best to avoid these three things when you find out your girlfriend cheated on you. 1. Do not abuse her or say things that hurt her. Your anger is understandable. But abusing her or insulting her won't help anyone. It will only make things worse. She will respect you more if you control the insults and things that hurt her. It's okay to talk about how hurt you are and how you feel. But there's no point in letting anger turn this into something ugly. She won't make you feel better. She won't make her feel better. She won't fix anything. She won't help save your relationship or help end it. In most cases, you will only regret it later. 2. Don't use what she told you in confidence to depress her. She may have shared many of her personal and intimate details about her life and her past during the course of the relationship. Some guys, when they feel hurt after finding out that their girlfriend cheated on them, use those details or secrets to hurt them. They use it to embarrass their girlfriends. Using your girlfriend's secrets against her in a fit of rage feels like betrayal to her in a way. And in most cases, those guys regret doing it. Just because your girlfriend betrayed you doesn't mean you should betray her trust. You need to be better than that. You need to be bigger than that. 3. Don't beg, plead, or act needy. Many guys become too needy or desperate after finding out that their girlfriend cheated on them. An outburst of anger often follows. This is again a misstep and will get you nowhere. You will make your ex lose respect for you and you will regret it later. Guys who act needy or desperate do so mainly because they are afraid of losing their ex to the other guy. The need usually arises because deep down they feel insecure about finding love again. But should you break up with your girlfriend who cheated on you or try to fix it? In my experience, if you are going through this, you probably fall into one of these three situations. 1. You don't know if you should try to save the relationship. In most cases where your girlfriend or wife cheats on you, it is very, very difficult to rebuild trust. Infidelity is a very serious issue and very few couples manage to overcome it. That's why you hear almost everyone tell you that you should leave her and move on. Take some time off. Part of you wants to save the relationship and the other part just doesn't see how you can ever trust her again. Now, I don't know the details of your situation. I don't know how much the two of you loved each other, whether she showed remorse or not, how bad the cheating was and what was the reason she cheated on you. But I do know that if you really love your girlfriend, it will be difficult to determine what the right decision is for you. And if you keep interacting with her, keep seeing her every day, everything will become more and more confusing. So your first step should be to take some time away from it. 2. You want to leave her, but she asks you to forgive her and give her another chance. When the woman you hopelessly love asks you for a favor, you'll probably agree to go to the end of the world for her. When a person who betrayed you asks you for a favor, you probably want to tell them to get away and never contact you again. But what would you do if she were the same person? And this time she asks you for something that is even more difficult than going to the end of the world. It is forgiveness. As you probably know, it won't be easy to forgive her. Before you do anything, I want to remind you that you shouldn't say things that you can't take back. Nothing good will come of it. You'll only regret it later. To move forward, you need to notice a few things. Her level of remorse. The level of betrayal of her. Her willingness to do whatever it takes to earn your trust again. 3. You want to give her another chance, but she doesn't want to continue. This is going to be hard. If your girlfriend cheated on you and she's the one who wants to break up, then I hate to break it to you, but your chances are very, very slim. In many cases, your girlfriend will think that because she cheated on you, there is no going back. That she's over and there's no way to save your relationship. You must make him understand that the relationship can be saved if both of you try to work on it. But it is very, very important that you say this without need or desperation. If she is sure that she wants to break up, she accepts her decision. Stay away from shared accommodation and her life. Stop contacting her and focus on healing yourself. If you still want her to come back even after months of healing, approach her from a different angle. You will have to take this as a new relationship and attract her like you would attract an ex-girlfriend. You are an essential part of what we do on this channel. For this reason, we keep an eye on what you need, and if it is your desire to recover your ex correctly and effectively, you must click on the link below.